Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. It's time for our chart of the week, and we're going to focus on an oil name we haven't looked at in quite a while. It's called Apache Corporation. So with the recent run up in crude, we would have expected to see quite a few of these oil names start doing better, and Apache is certainly one of them. Monday, of course, crude started down sharply after the meeting over the weekend in Doha. Qatar, the members of OPEC and non-OPEC did not come up with an agreement to cut production, and oil subsequently got hammered, but it did manage to rally back sharply during the rest of the day and only closed down about a fraction, just about 25-30 cents. Interestingly enough, the chart was telling us that we could see higher prices in crude regardless of what was going on with this meeting in Qatar over the weekend. But we really want to focus in on one of the energy names here. And we did focus in on ExxonMobil just a few weeks ago, and that's done extremely well and actually broke out again today. But we're going to talk about Apache here. And we're going to bring up the charting technicals here in just a moment here. And we can see that from the lows in January of 2016 of this year, we've made higher lows and have made a nice channel here and made some higher highs along the way as well too. But what's interesting, as I pointed out here recently with the sharp move in oil upwards, this stock has actually outperformed crude and some of its competitors as well too. It's up about probably 20% in 2016 as it closed out 2015 at roughly about $43, $44. We're ticking up at about $53, but look at what happened on Monday. We have this huge outside day. As we came down a little bit off of the recent highs last week and had a big bold move on pretty decent volume over here. We have a MACD buy signal that came in last week. We can see that here, and the momentum indicators are overbought as well too. So we like this name over here. This could certainly trade right back up to the upper end of the channel, which comes in at about 58 and change right now, 58.5. It's currently 53. That would be a nice about 5.5–6% move. This stock moves quite sharply and quite viciously, of course, as we can see from the chart over here. This range is pretty wide, and we did see this stock trade all the way down to just under $50 today and closed at or near the high of about 53 and change. So it did trade in quite a wide range today, but we like the outside day. That's strong. If it trades above today's high tomorrow, then it would be considered quite a bullish condition here, and we could probably see it certainly moving back up to these November highs, which were kind of outliers here as we went up and left what's called an abandoned baby pattern, which is these two candles that get left behind, so to speak. We'll take a look at this this chart tomorrow, and we believe this stock is pretty bullish in the interim. That's Apache. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.